Unveil nature's terrifying beauty in our chilling compilation. Witness the spine-tingling side of the nature. These encounters are scary. Everyone saw his fear a moment after he said never show fear.
Never show fear.
Black Bear tried to trespass and attack, but the guy was lucky enough to survive. The two girls tried their best to save the things flying with the strong winds, but suddenly the whole cafe blew up. The bicycle guy was just minding his own business when the big cat attacked him. He was lucky enough to survive. This murmuration's not just scary, but mesmerizing as well. The turtle, famous for being slow, takes a bite with the speed of a flash. The sea lion was okay with a photo, but not a video.
I'm videoing.
The elephant's interested in the smartphone and knocked down the girl to steal her phone. The majestic giraffe starts chasing the Jeep and it gets scary. The hilarious dog got scared so badly by the rhino. While they were fishing, a giant shark jumped into their boat. The bear started chasing the hiker and even tried climbing the tree to catch him, but thankfully gave up after that. They kept hiding from the rhino behind the trees and remained successful. It was the way this photographer was sitting or his black shirt, but the gorillas thought he was part of the clan.
Coming forward with the lips.
Bro, you hear it? It's like a gas leak or something.
Who would have thought these YouTubers would find a 15-foot giant anaconda in this little sewer?
Bro, that's a snake! I don't want to watch. Can you see him? No! I can't see him at all. I can see him. No! Oh my god! 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 Guys! Look at the size of... You are toast.
Oh my gosh.
I've never been so close to one.
Mountain lion stalks the man for 6 whole minutes. The way he stayed strong and concealed his fear saved his life.
No! Get the f*** away! Go away! No! No! Yeah, get the f*** away!
Brave security guard risked his own life to protect the people visiting the zoo. He kept hitting the hippo to push the big animal back into his enclosure. This is not an alien. It's a ribbon worm that spits a living, tree-like proboscis to hunt its prey. Elephant enjoys in its own way by destroying the cars on the safari. Monitor lizard enters the supermarket and is busy shopping. They were about to lose their drone when the crocodile jumped higher than they anticipated. Great white shark just wanted to say hi. Feisty sea lion throws an octopus at the kayaker's face. She realized feeding a giraffe as if it was a farm animal was not a good idea. It seems like these ducks are performing some kind of ceremony with the driver. Ants form a hanging chain to raid and loot a wasp nest. The people on the boat are the luckiest people alive as the tiger missed them by mere inches.
boy.
The guy tried to pet a wild boar and gets attacked.
Help me! Help!
This tiger's in attack mode and is waiting for its prey while hiding on the roadside. Nurse Shark was having a nice, calm, and pleasant swim when out of nowhere a barracuda attacked. A giant snake's having fun while climbing a tall tree. All the snails surface as soon as he puts food in the water. Feeding time at an eel farm will surely creep you out. Dolphin knocks over the paddleboarder to get him out of their way. Black Widow traps a whole snake in its web. The snake looks so helpless here. A weird bird, tawny frogmouth, looks like a tree during the day and hunts at night. Turtle shockingly became so quick to secure its next meal. A snake literally jumped at the guy on the motorbike to attack him. They were hearing strange noises while sleeping at night, and this is what they found in their ceiling. Hungry yet quick python ambushes a herd of deer and found its prey. A kind of caterpillar you're not allowed to touch. Marine iguana can hold their breath for 30 to 40 minutes and found only in Galapagos Islands. They look like miniatures of Godzilla. This clip of acid-spraying ants will give you nightmares. Mother goose protecting its nest from seagull by drowning it. Storks is among those birds that kill their weak offspring when there's not enough food. This bee versus hornets fight will shock you. Venus flytraps gives life sentence to the innocent bee. Guy scratches the dirt casually and disturbed a sidewinder. They used a decoy seal to capture a shark attack, and they did. Brave lizard fought for its life and ditched dozens of snakes in the way. Seagull tries to steal from the sea lion and pays for it. A group of leader jacket fish not just attacked, but ate a whole octopus. Seagull unbelievably swallows a whole rat. Man was brave enough to face the vile ostrich attacking him. The unexpected turtle attack will make your soul leave your body.
I know he looks like he wants to bite me, but I'm just saying that he's thirsty.
The deadly landslide in Atami, Japan is not sparing anything coming its way. The mama moose seems to have some personal and major issues with the cyclist. The rescuers ultimately saved the cyclist by shielding him with their car. While thinking it's a catfish at the end of the line, this guy realized it's an alligator and ran for his life.
Oh my god! That's a big ass gator, buddy.
Just when they thought they escaped the hippo chasing them, they realized another hippo's right behind them. Killer whales surrounded this woman's kayak while playing, jumping, and feasting on salmon. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.